So welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 179. This was a Saturday, the 25th of February 2023. So I did exercise 45 minutes on the treadmill with a 6-minute jog. And then I also am starting something new for the month of March, but I've already started a few days earlier. Just getting used to it. I'm doing, in addition to the 6-minute jog, I'm also doing a minute, like, I wouldn't say it's a sprint, I would just say it's a little bit of a faster paced jog. So I do a minute of that. So I'm trying to incrementally increase the level of difficulty. I've been increasing, like I started doing incline 1 instead of incline 0. So just for me, it's building myself up, doing the very best that I can, because I have some physical limitations. So I'm working on that. So anyway, the day, did my exercise on the treadmill. Then I had a coaching session with Jeffrey Combs. Then I worked on Remote Wellness Academy, worked on insurance, and just took care of some personal business. Gratitude for today is for people who work in the tech support industry, people who help you on the other end of the line when you're having a problem. I greatly appreciate that, and that people are willing to do that. So that is my day for 179. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know if you have any questions. I will talk to you tomorrow. Thanks.